Here we have the current stock market update for GEOVAX Labs Incorporated, stock ticker GOVX. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts in the comments section below so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So here we have a 1 hour price chart. That means that each candle on this time frame represents a 1 hour trading period. And I have not changed any of the prior chart markings that were displayed on the from the prior video relative to the prior video. So the projection here for this stock previously, there had been a lot of hype about this recent price movement. We did see a fairly significant jump in share prices, almost $10 per share in gains, from right around $1.65 all the way to $11.17. So, obviously that is a huge amount of movement in a very short period of time. And maybe it's not surprising then that there was a lot of enthusiasm. People were asking me to cover this stock. There were a lot of YouTube videos that were being posted about this stock. But what I said here was that, these price movements looked incredibly unsustainable. I mean, to see a share price bounce of that type, you would really need some significant reason to believe that the share price would, be justified in trading at these levels. This is just, so it's almost like 1,000% gain here in a very short period of time. So, this type of gain needs to be taken with a huge element of caution. This is a dangerous type of stock to be trading in. As we can see, the prior projections from the previous video have really played out to a T here. What we were expecting to see was for share prices to break through this 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of this trending move higher. That would essentially be the price move from 165 to 1117. What we can see here is that this breakthrough $4.35 has now broken to the downside, and this does ultimately suggest that share prices are likely to now see a full retracement of this entire trending move downward. This prior area was here. This prior era was here previously. So, there are no surprises here. I mean, there was nothing to suggest that share prices should be moving higher. All of this was a reverse stock split, again, with a lot of hype being directed at the stock for no real reason. A lot of YouTube videos that were claiming that this stock was going to the moon and that this was just the beginning. And, we can look at the prior price history to see where some of those assessments could have been, generated. We can see, if we go back to, August of 2019, we can see that share prices were trading significantly higher, but these price movements didn't last very long. This would be the weekly chart. If we move down to the daily chart, you can see a little bit of upward price movement here briefly, but these are just small price spikes that don't last very long. I'm really not doing anything strange to this chart. I'm just sort of moving back in history here, and we can see that there are some upward price spikes briefly. Like, for example, here would be one. We're looking at share prices at around $8.50, and then we see a gain into $64 per share, which is a very significant price spike. But this would have occurred during August 2022, and then share prices reversed just as quickly. I mean, we can see here that there was a major spike here, but you have to really call into question what is going on at this point if share prices just as quickly move lower. I mean, why would you see a share price? Why would you see a stock have behavior like this, exhibit behavior like this? If share prices are moving higher significantly, why wouldn't they be able to maintain any of those gains? I mean, as you can see here, even during this prior price spike, it's very fast in nature. It happens very quickly, but then just as quickly, share prices move in the other direction. I mean, what exactly is going on here? What could be going on here that could justify that type of price behavior? And then ultimately, share prices just continue to move lower and then break through those prior lows. So clearly, whatever was going on here with that initial price movement was not valid. It was not able to sustain itself for very long. And anybody that bought into that hype quickly lost money. And we can see other examples of that here. The only real difference is that we're starting to see lower highs. I mean, these price spikes are occurring still, but they're smaller in size and they last for a shorter period of time. So, getting into these price moves like this is just a true recipe for disaster. I mean, you might as well throw your money in the garbage and set it on fire. I mean, what's the difference? You know, I mean, look how quickly these losses start to occur. I mean, there is just no reason at all to be getting into stocks like this. You really do need to sort of make an assessment of who exactly is making these YouTube videos. I mean, is it just some random person who just wants to make a YouTube video about something? Is it somebody that has a long position and might benefit in some way from share prices going up? Is this just somebody who's looking to make a little bit of money on YouTube through clicks? I mean, all of those things are possible and they're incredibly likely. I mean, it's either that or this is a market genius who was able to see the bottom in the stock before the rest of the market. The stock is truly ready to start to explode higher. I mean, you can sort of place your bets on which side you think is true. I mean, ultimately, these results play out as expected. This recent price movement into 1117 just completely fell through the floor. And the assessment that I made in the prior video was that we're most likely to break through the 78.6% retracement and then retest those prior lows, because that would signal a full retracement of the entire move. Share prices are starting to move back into that area, and we're really not seeing significant bounces here. You've got one green candle here, but it's immediately followed by a sizable red candle as well. So I don't expect to see any bounces here from 165. I expect for the stock to continue with its longer term trend and just continue to post lower lows. There's really no reason to believe that anything else would be true. So the people that are in this trade, I would recommend highly that you consider joining the members portion of the channel, because we do have very clearly defined trading strategies that can be used. And we're talking specific stocks, which stocks to buy, when to buy, which level to buy at, where to place your profit target, where to place your stop loss level. And then we go through those trades every week and sort of monitor how they're doing, and then update the trades accordingly. So this is really designed for beginners, and it's designed for people that are in trades like this one, where they were sucked into a terrible position that never should have been entered into in the first place. So here's the current stock market update for GOVX Labs, stock ticker GOVX. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.